The day that we've been waiting for has finally come. Who would have thought that from being high school sweethearts, we would one day stand here, ready to say our vows to each other.
Like a lightning strike that breaks the mast in a pouring rain. Everything is changing way too fast. Walls feel out of place. There's a beauty in every storm. Look and you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need at first just died. I'm right beside you, right beside.
Thank you sa lahat ng pag-suporta namin and for always taking care of us. Eto na ako ngayon. Ako yung taong pinalaki niyo ng maayos. And hanggang sa makabuo kami ng pamilya ni Jomar, yung mga lessons na tutunan namin sa inyo, dadalhin ko yun hanggang sa magkaroon kami ng sariling pamilya. Thank you. Love you.
And you'll see the sun keeps
Sa aking pinakamamahal, sa wakas, nandito na tayo. Ang tagal nating pinangarap ang araw na ito. Ang dami nating pinagdaanan, ngunit nanatili tayong matatag at may pananampalataya.
Alisa May, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jomar na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
and you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need at first just died. I'm right beside you. And you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need at first just died. I'm right beside you, right beside you.
Tapos ng misang ito, kayong dalawa ay lalabas sa simbahang ito. Sa paglabas ninyo sa simbahang ito, dalhin ninyo ang Diyos. Isama ninyo ang Diyos. Kahit saan kayo magpunta, magkasama man kayo physically o hindi, isama ninyo ang Diyos.
Staring in your eyes, it feels like heaven. I've never been, but if I had to guess, then you would always be what's on my mind. Walking beside you,
Mapalad
it
akong
feels
matagpuan
like
ka.
flying. You
Hindi
make
swerte,
solid ground,
kundi
feel
mapalad.
like the sky.
Dahil hiniling kita nang magkadikit ang aking mga palad.
Stay for the rest of my
Mapalad ako sapagkat ika'y pagpapala at ako'y pinagpala.
Now when I'm dreaming, I think of you. And when I'm awake, you're there too.
Ano kaya ito?
All I know
Mabigat siya.
is that I love you. And all I know
Tawid ko na.
is that's enough to
Tawid ko
keep
na.
living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything is better with you.
sa lahat ng suporta at paggabay. So sana nandiyan ka pa rin kahit mag-aasawa na ako. Salamat!
All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep
Yomar, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Alisa May na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Everything's better with you. Not everything in this life will be easy. When I'm with you, I've got all that I'm needing.
Hanggang sa tumanda at pumuti na ating mga buhok, asahan mo na sa'yo pa rin titingin ang mga mata ko. Dahil ikaw ang mananatiling pinakamaganda sa paningin ko. I am proud to say na Alisa May Zulueta Borlaos, mahal na mahal kita. At patuloy kitang mamahalin hanggang dulo.
Everything's better. All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better. Honestly, everything's better. Honestly, everything's better.
I promise to watch your anime recommendations, to make her coffee every morning, and I promise to always listen to your silly jokes, to be your #1 supporter, and to choose you for the rest of our lives. My first, last, and greatest love, and now my husband, I love you so much. Love you.